Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Anas Nasrullah. I will present my research proposal entitled Linear Regression Algorithm in Predicting the Number of Educational Program and Enrollments in the Islamic Boarding School Environment. Case study Al-Mustafa Tambakbaya Foundation. Let's start. Bab 1, Introduction. In background, education is an essential part of community life, and it represents a process that each individual undergoes to improve their circumstances. Among the educational system in Indonesia, one stands out pesantren. Pesantren is a unique institution that plays a vital role in educating the nation. It is deeply rooted in Indonesian culture and has distinct characteristics. Over time, pesantren has consistently served as a center for educational studies, adapting to the rapid change of the era. According to data from the Ministry of Religious Affairs, Kemenag.go.id, there are approximately 36,600 pesantren across Indonesia, with 3.4 million active students and 370,000 kiai or religious teachers. In West Java alone, there are 843 pesantren accommodating 500 and 445 students. Similarly, and the Al-Mustafa Tambakbaya Foundation offers both pesantren and formal education institutions, including Madrasah Aliyah and Madrasah Sanawiyah. As a case study, it has witnessed fluctuation in number of the students over the past 5 years. Okay, next, and this a graph of student data in Madrasah Aliyah and Madrasah Sanawiyah Darul Ihsan. Okay, next, on the formulation of the problem and research purpose. On formulation of the problem, the first, how to apply the linear regression algorithm in predicting the number of applications for Islamic boarding school education program. And the second is how to apply evaluation to the result of prediction made. And on the research purpose, the first, to apply the linear regression algorithm in predicting the number of applicants for Islamic boarding school educational program. And the second is to get evaluation result from the modeling carried out in order to get better result. Next is benefit of research. The benefit of these results are divided into two, namely theoretical benefit and practical benefit. The following are the benefits of research. Theoretical benefits can add to the conceptual picture regarding the application of the linear regression model become a reference material for knowledge in predicting the number of applications for the educational system in the Islamic boarding school environment using the linear regression algorithm. And practical benefits: Islamic boarding schools are expected to gain an understanding of the predicted number of registrants and use the prediction result as a reference in improving the institution's infrastructure so that it is able to provide good and comfortable infrastructure for students or santri in studying. Okay, next, bab 2, literature review. Purpose research. There are 5 previous research that I took, namely prediction of the number of student admission at SMAN 1 Pagar Dewa using the linear regression method. Studi SMAN 1 Pagar Dewa. Forecasting analysis of the number of the student admission using the simple linear regression method. 3. Predicting the number of new ERS Indonesian students using the linear regression algorithm method. Next, the prediction of the number of new students using the least square method. And last, prediction of the number of new student enrollment using the time series method. And next, and this a gap table based on previous research. Okay, next, research method. CRISP DM or cross industry standard process for data mining is one of the many standard methods for data mining process. It's a way of solving problem in general from research or business units. In 1996, several industries developed the CRISP DM method such as NRC, Ohra Integral Solution, and Daimler Chrysler. The following are the stages in the CRISP DM methodology. Firstly, business understanding, data understanding, data preparation, modeling, pollution, and last deployment. Okay. Next is regression linear. Linear regression is a statistical calculating which is used to test how closely the relationship is between variables. In regression tree, there is a dependent variable which is usually written with the symbol and one or more independent variables which are usually written with the symbol x. Linear regression is quantitative method of calculating time series where time is used prediction. Next, bab 3, research method. And this is a research framework using the CRISP DM approach. Okay, and last, data set. The data used is registration data from Madrasah Darul Ihsan student for for 2090 to 2023, where from the existing data, several variables were selected including years, level, gender, domicile, and number of registrants as in the table to the side. Okay, maybe that's just the presentation of the thesis proposal. There, more or less. I'm sorry, and thank you.